Hello, and welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, we're going to have a look and see what we can do from the home screen or dashboard. What you're seeing on screen is the new and improved dashboard or home screen. If you prefer the old version, you can easily switch back. Just scroll all the way down and you'll find the option to toggle off the new dashboard in the bottom right corner. Before we begin, please note that the new home screen is only available with the online arbitrage plan or higher. If you're on the wholesaler flips plan, this feature won't be accessible. Now let's take a look at what the new dashboard offers. Once you've connected your professional seller account to Tactical Arbitrage, you'll find options to start searches and explore live deals right at the top of the page. If clicked, the Start a Product search will open the product search page where you can enter a site's category to scan. The Start a Reverse search will open the reverse search page where you can either input ASIN or UPC, certain keywords, brands, Amazon categories, or seller ID to scan. And if you click the Explore Live Deals button, it will open the Always Be Scanning page, a feature in which Tactical Arbitrage will add in random products that are usually quite profitable. The Quick Start box here is collapsible, so if you need to expand or retract it, simply click the chevron icon here. And within the Quick Start box, you have several shortcuts to scan that could be the key to start off your sourcing journey. For instance, the Find Beauty Products on Target option here, if we click Start Search Now, the product search page will open, all the setup for the scan aside from the filters will already be set, and all you need to do is just click Search here. Next up, if we scroll down, you'll be able to find the Activity Monitor. Within the Activity Monitor, you'll be able to see your 3 most recent scans for each type of scan. So you'll see your 3 most recent product search scans, reverse search scans, etc. On this page, you have the option to head over to the search history by clicking See All near the right side of your screen here. Please note that the See All option will only be available if you've done more than 3 scans. If you haven't run 3 scans yet, you still have the option to go to the search history page by clicking Search History up here. Also note that the limit here is different from how many scans that you can run at the same time. If you're not on the Pro subscription plan, you'll be able to run 3 scans simultaneously with an additional 4 queued scans. But if you are on the Pro subscription plan, you can have up to 10 concurrent scans with 20 queued scans. If any scan is still ongoing, you'll have the option to pause or stop the scan in the boxes. Within the boxes, there are 2 things that you can do as well. First, you can name your search by clicking the pencil icon. A pop-up will show up on which you can enter in the name and save. Then, clicking on View Results here will take you to the View Data page where you can see the product information of all the products added from the scan. Aside from those options, within the box you'll be able to see when the scan was started, the number of potential matches found, and how long the scan has been running. That brings us to the end of our overview of the home screen. If you're looking for more sourcing strategies, feel free to join our customer coaching class. We'd love to help you take your skills to the next level. To register, click the free coaching classes prompt up here, check the available schedule, and simply fill out your details to secure your spot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@tacticalarbitrage.com.